Hello everybody, this is Vinayak from Voxfor Lifetime, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect to your VPS service which you have purchased from Voxfor for the first time. So let's start. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open your browser. In my case I'm using Chrome, and then head over to voxfor.com. After going to voxfor.com, you have to find the login button and click on that. Once you click on the login button, you will be redirected to the login panel. Over here, you have to fill your email address and password, which you choose at the time of registering on our website. As soon as you do this, you can just simply click on the login button. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot button and a new form will come from where you can reset your password using your email ID. So now let's click on login. And as you see, like I'm in the client area now. And now to navigate to our services, we have two methods. First of all, if you are having multiple services, you can click on the service button over here. And this service button will show all of your services which you are having with Vox4. So in my case, I'm having just one service. So we can just click over here and we will be redirected to our service. Or you can directly check for your service from this section, your active products slash services. And if I click over here, it will redirect me to the product details. So as you can see, I'm now in the product section and I can do a power off or power on or a shutdown to my VPS. Now, what we have to do is we have to grab our IP address for the connection to SSH. So first of all, we will be copying the IP address and we have to make sure of the password as well because password is needed for the first time login and this will be changed for security purposes in the works for virtual machines. Now, as we have copied the IP address, what we have to do is we have to head over to a SSH client. So in my case, I'm using Termius, which is a SSH client present on both Mac OS and Windows as well. So let's head over to Termius. And as you can see, there is this machine host listed over here already. What we have to do is click on this button, or you can just add a new host directly. And from here, you can label it anything, a name which you want for it. And from the credentials, what you have to do is you have to type in your username over here, that is root, which is by default for every installation of Vox4, and your password, which in case is presented over here. So, as soon as you copy the password and you paste the password in the field over here, and you can see that the password has been already synchronized, and now you can hit connect button. So, before doing that, I'm going to show you how to connect it via console. So, basically, first of all, you can do is you can go to the console, and as you can see, this is giving us a window over here. So we can connect through this one. Now I'm going to show you how you can connect to your virtual machine using the SSH clients. So let's head back to our terminus over here. And what I can do is I can just click on the button, double click, and you can see it is giving me a warning. If I'm sure to connect. This is actually a security warning. You don't need to worry about this. All you have to do is just click add and continue if this is your permanent machine. And after doing it, you can see that our machine is connected. Now it is asking us to change your current password by default. This is a security feature which is implemented by Voxfor team for the security of your virtual machine and for your better protection and security. Now, what you have to do is you have to paste the password again over here and hit enter. And now you have to type in your new password which you will be using. So I'm going to type in the new password and we have to retype the password to make sure it is complete and we are not missing anything. And as soon as it is done, you can see that the server's password has been changed And now we don't need to log in using the previous password anymore. So now let's hit reboot and just wait for a while, because let's show you. Uh, as you can see in the console as well, the machine is rebooting itself. So this is a plus point if you are using Voxfor website for your VPS needs, as we are already providing you lifetime servers and we are also giving you VNC access. Now let's click on the start button. So it may take some time because it is first of all verifying the password. And now as you can see that we have changed the password. So we have to type in our new password again and just click continue and save if you want to save the password. And see, we are now into our virtual machine. Just as simple as that. So this is for MacBook, or you can say a Mac. Now let's head on to the Windows section. So for Windows, I'm having a virtual machine ready with me. So what you have to do is just copy the IP address of your virtual machine, which you can get from the product details page over here, and just copy it. And let's go to a tool such as PuTTY. So as you can see, like I'm having PuTTY over here, or you can just click on start and then click the all button and search for PuTTY over here in the PuTTY folder. Now you have to enter your IP address in this particular field where it says host name or IP address. And now click on the open button. As you can see, it is again giving us a security alert because on this machine, the host key is not available. So let's hit accept. And now let's enter our username, that is ROOT as in root. And now we have to enter our password. So as you can see that we are logged in now over here as well. So this is the same thing which we have to do in Windows. All the steps are same. The only difference is for the connection agent such as PuTTY or Termius or any another SSH client which you want to use to connect to your VPS. So thank you everybody. Have a good day.